I have become such a nerd for mason jar vacuum sealers. I love them so much. So when this brand reached out and said, we'd like you to try ours, I was like, yes, please. I love them. So let's have a look. I have opened the box and let's see what's inside. So, oh, this one comes with labels. That's pretty cool. So you can put those on the top of your mason jars. Also your instructions that just fell out when I opened it. Sorry about that. So this is a second generation mason jar vacuum sealer by this company. So obviously second generation means they've been doing this a while, so they know what works. So let's open this up. This is going to be our charging cord. Yes. So it is rechargeable using a C charger, which I love so much. I love that all of my little products around my house now all use that C charger because I have a few and I put them all in the same place, and it's just convenient because I know if something needs to be recharged, I can just very quickly recharge in the spot where all my chargers live. So I love that. It does come with the actual vacuum sealer, and it's super easy to use. You literally just push the power button. And I don't have it attached to anything right now, so it's trying to suck air and it's not going to do anything. So I'm going to turn it off for a second, but I'm going to show you it comes with bags. So this particular brand comes with 2 resealable Ziploc bags, but what I can do is I am going to open it and I am going to put something inside. What can we put inside? I'll put this pen inside. I'll close it. You simply take your sealer, you place it over the small circle on the bag, press down just slightly, push your power button, and it is doing its thing. So it is sucking all the air out, as you can see. Let's see how long this one takes. Took about 13 seconds. So yeah, no air left in that bag, which is really nice. So it keeps your food fresh longer. So, you can get these bags in all different sizes and shapes, and then you can use any of these on your bags. The other thing it comes with are mason jar lids, both the large ones and the small ones. So the same thing, you simply place it in the center of the lid, right here. You place it right here in the center of the lid and push the power button. It sucks all the air out of the jar, and then your lid is attached to your jar. So I love these so much. The more I use them, the more I love them. Groceries are expensive, and keeping my food fresh for longer, to me, is a game changer. So I highly recommend. I hope you'll grab yours.